Hello friends, myself Saita Patel, Assistant Professor, Common Degree College, Kamlapur. Welcome to the today's session. In my today's class, we shall see that is the most important guidelines for the bank exams. That is the students who have a dreams to get jobs in banks. They want to apply for the bank exams, and this is a little bit that is the roadmap towards the bank exams. That is what is the procedure, what are the various question papers are there, and how what is the time should be allocated for the each papers that we shall see in my today's video. Okay, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಧವಾದ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಹೇಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಹುಡುಗರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ವೇಸ್ ದೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಆ ತರ ಯಾರು ಎನಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೇಗ್ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೋಚಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿವೆ, ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ, ಆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಲೋಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಮ್ ಟಿಪ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈಟ್ ಕಾಲರ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಇಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಫುಲ್ ಫ್ಲೆಜ್ಡ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲಗಳಿರ್ತದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಜಾಬ್, you'll have various facilities. So this video is dedicated to all the students who have the dream to become a bankers in their life. Okay, I like to say now introduction. That is, every agencies like SBI, RBI, IBPS, LIC, and PSBS conduct the bank exams to fill vacancies to the posts of clerks, PO, MG, SO, RRB, PO clerk in public sector banks. Okay, the SBI clerk, SBI PO, and SBI SO exams are organized by the State Bank of India. The IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, IBPS RRB, IBPS SO exams are conducted by the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. RBI Grade B and RBI Assistant Recruitment exams are conducted by the ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಧವಾದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, SBI, RBI, IBPS ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಿವೆ, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಏಜೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, SBI ಕ್ಲರ್ಕ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, SBI PO ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಬೇಷನರಿ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್, ಹಂಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು SBI SO ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇದು ಯಾರು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಇದು SBI ದವರು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದ IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, IBPS RRB, IBPS SO exams are conducted by the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection. IBPS ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Institute of Banking Personnel Selection ಅಂತ. ಹೌದಾ? ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ RBI Grade B ಮತ್ತೆ RBI Assistant Recruitment exams are also conducted by the RBI. ಈ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇವೆ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ any of these exams. Okay, now SBI clerk, IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, IBPS RRB, RBI, LIC selections process ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, in all the banks recruitment exams ಇರ್ತದೆ. The selection process involves either a two-phased or three-phased process involving prelims exams, mains exams, and the group discussion or interview. ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, 2 phases ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ 3 phases ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವುದು? ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್, ಒಂದು ಮೇನ್ಸ್, ಮತ್ತು ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್, ಹಾಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ. ಈ 3 ವಿಧವಾದ ಹಂತಗಳಾದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್. ದೆನ್ IBPS stands for the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, which is an autonomous agency started in 1975 with a mission of enhancing human resource development through personal assessment. ಅಂದ್ರೆ IBPS ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇದು ಅದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, that is stands for Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, which is an autonomous, ಇದೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು autonomous ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾದ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ 1975 ವಿತ್ ಎ ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್, ಯಾಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಎನ್ಹಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಅಸೆಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Apart from doing many other things, it conducts common written examination (CW) and common interview, which are now mandatory for anyone who seeks an employment in 20 public sectors and regional rural banks. ಯಾರು ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಬ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತೀರ ಅಥವಾ RRBs ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂತೀರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಫೈ ದಿ exams. IBPS periodically accepts the exam applications from the candidates at their website www.ibps.in. And the exams are organized at various locations in the country. The job seekers will have to pass CW followed by the common interview. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ದ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸಿ IBPS ಕ್ಲರ್ಕ್ 2020 ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಯೋಣ. That is phase 1 ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ IBPS clerk preliminary examination. The preliminary exam of IBPS clerk CRP is an online exam testing a candidate on the basis of their aptitude, intellect and English. There are 3 sections in total and the candidate must clear the cutoff of each section to proceed to the mains exam round. Okay. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ದರ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಇಂಟೆಲೆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, candidates are required to solve the question paper in the time frame of 20 minutes for each section. Here the time is very very important. That is the allocated time. Within the allocated the time the paper should be finished. The composite mark of the paper is 100 and the passing marks is decided by the IBPS, that is likely to change every year depending on the level of difficulty of the exam. Okay. English, name of the test, number of questions, maximum marks, duration. English, first paper English language, 30 questions, 30 marks, 20 minutes. Numerical ability, 35 questions, 35 marks, 20 minutes. Reasoning ability, 35 questions, 35 marks, 20 minutes. Total will be 100. Composite time of is 1 hour. Candidates have to qualify in each of the 3 tests by securing minimum cutoff marks to be decided by the IBPS. Adequate number of candidates in each category is decided by IBPS depending upon the requirements will be shortlisted for online main examination. ಅಂದ್ರೆ minimum cutoff list ಕಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದ್ರೆ they can qualify for the exams. This is what the name of the test is, the number of the questions, maximum marks, that is duration. This is for the IBPS clerks preliminary examination. Then next, IBPS clerks mains examination phase 2. Okay, in this what happened, that is no changes have been observed in the exam pattern of IBPS clerk 2020 exam. IBPS clerk's main exam will now constitute of 190 questions that needs to be completed in a time frame of 160 minutes. Previously, computer aptitude and reasoning ability section used to be conducted separately, but in the recent update by IBPS, both of these sections are amalgamated together and will constitute of 50 questions that needs to be solved in a time duration of 45 minutes. Both preliminary exams and main exams will be conducted bilingually. That is both in English and Hindi. Let's have a look at the exam pattern for IBPS clerks. Yeah, that is ಈಗ ನಾವು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ IBPS ಫೇಸ್ 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಿದೆ, ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡ್ಯೂರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್ ಅಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ 50 marks. Maximum marks will be 60, 45 minutes. English language will be 40 questions, 40 marks, 35 minutes. Quantitative aptitude, that is number of questions, will be 50. Maximum marks will be 50. Duration will be 45 minutes. Then the general of financial awareness, 50 questions, 50 marks and 35 minutes. Total will be number of questions 190. Maximum marks 200 and duration will be 160 minutes. This is what the pattern for the IBPS clerk's main examination. Now, penalty for wrong answers. There is a penalty for wrong answers marked in both preliminary examinations as well as main examination. A wrong answer to an objective question will lead to penalty of 1/4 of the total mark assigned to that question. And ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ if you are sure for the answer, then only go for that answer. Otherwise, if you try, what happens? There is a negative marking is there. You can lose the mark. There will be no penalty for the question left blank or unanswered. ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೋದ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Final score calculation for IBPS clerk exam. The final score for the IBPS clerk exam is calculated keeping the following points in mind. Marks obtained in the preliminary phase 1 will not be considered for the final selection. Candidates must qualify phase 2 to be eligible for the final merit. Phase 2 clear ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. The aggregate score out of 100 is used for the final merit list for each category. Candidates with top merit rank in each category are finally selected until you can understand. Now we shall see what will be the syllabus for the IBPS Clerk 2020 exams. For the syllabus: English language, in this reading comprehension, closed test, pillars, spotting errors, sentence improvement and the fill in the blanks. Numerical ability ke number series, simplification, approximation, quadratic questions, data interpretation, data sufficiency, miscellaneous. Reasoning ability, puzzle and arrangements, inequality, syllogism, coding and decoding, blood relation, direction sets, order and ranking. Computer history and generation of computers, introduction to computer organization, computer hardware and IO devices, computer language basics of DBMS, operating system, internet, computer network and security, MS Office suite and shortcut keys, computer memory, computer software, number systems and conversations. General awareness ನಲ್ಲಿ banking and insurance awareness, financial awareness, government schemes and policies, current affairs and statistic awareness ಅಂತ ಈ ತರ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ bank exam test pattern, IBPS PO exam pattern 2020. That is till now we have discussed for the clerical exams what will be the pattern. Now we shall see what is the pattern for the IBPS PO exams. Okay. Now here also there are, that is the languages: English language, numerical ability, reasoning ability. Number of questions 30, 35, 35, and the maximum marks will be 30, 35, 30, 35, 35. Duration will be 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. Total will be here 60 minutes. Okay. Here also, that is the 2.5 marks are deducted for each wrong answer attempted by a candidate. It is necessary to clear the cutoff in all the 3 sections to qualify for the IBPS PO main exam. Now, let us see IBPS PO main exams pattern 2020. That is in introduction of descriptive paper. That is 25. The PO exams have been introduced a descriptive paper in its main examinations, where candidates will be judged on their written skills. An essay and a letter will be given to candidate to write that will constitute of 25 marks, and that has been completed in a time span of 30 minutes. The overall time allocated for each section has also been changed. That is, the overall time for IBPS 2020 main exams has also been changed from 140 minutes to 180 minutes. Here now let us have the pattern. That is the reasoning and computer aptitude. Number of questions will be 45. Maximum marks will be 60. Medium of examination will be there in English and Hindi. The time allocated is 60 minutes. Then the English language is there. Number of questions is 35. Maximum 40 marks. English only 40 minutes. Data analysis and interpretation 35 marks. Maximum 60 marks. English and Hindi 45 minutes. General economy banking awareness 40 questions, 40 marks. English and Hindi. Medium of examination time allocated will be 35 minutes. Total will be number of questions 155. Maximum marks 200. Time allocated is 180 minutes. IBPS interviews process. Candidates who qualify the main exams are finally called for the interview process by IBPS. The interviews process will constitute of 100 marks, and the minimum marks for qualifying this round will be 40%, which is reduced to 35% for candidates belonging to SC, ST, OBC, PW categories. Penalty for wrong answers, 0.25 marks will be deducted for every question attempted wrong by candidate in both the IBPS PO 2020 preliminary exams and main exams. There will be no deduction of marks for a question left blank unattempted by the candidate. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ರಾಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಖಾಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೂಸ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 0.2 marks will be deducted here. That is we can understand. Final selection. The final selection of the candidate to the post of probationary officer will be made by taking into consideration the cumulative score of main exams and the interview process. The weightage of both these phases of examination will be in the ratio of 80:20 respectively. A merit list will be generated after the interview process of IBPS PO 2020 exam has been conducted. Candidates who make it to the list will be thus offered the joining letter by the bank of their. Now, till now what you did, you understood what will be the pattern. That is, what are the marks, how you are going to get. Then various things we are understood regarding the examination patterns. Now now I will give you some important tips to crack the bank exams. Okay, that is proper planning about the examination. First, you should have the planning. Then only what happens, a beautiful house dream you can come true. Okay, then make a timetable for self study for each the various subjects what are given for that. Make a timetable. They complete the syllabus topic wise. Don't leave anything. This may come, this may not come. No, you have to be you have to complete whole syllabus. Okay, learn through online resources. There are online material, various things are available. You can go through with the online resources. Practice more previous question papers. Definitely should solve the various question papers by considering the time allocation. Okay, allocate the time to all section. Make a revision. Practice makes perfect. These are the important tips to crack the exams. Then the developing very good speed. It's very important. That is, you can solve everything, but what within a time solving is very important in the examination. Okay, solving questions as much as possible. Picking up easier questions first. Completing first all the sections that take a less time to solve, than not getting struck in any section that takes a little more time. Example, reasoning section. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಟಫ್ ಅನ್ಸಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಮೆನಿ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟಿಪುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಓಕೆ, then these are what the important bank coaching centers. That is, I've given you the various, that is the here the websites where you can get a very good bank coaching. These are the various centers I have selected. That is from the Hubli is there, then the Dharwad is there, Bangalore is there. From I selected very few where you can get some good bank coaching. Okay, till now I think you understood. That is, what are the various examination patterns, what will be the procedure, how you should answer, and everything you have understood. Okay, then I think I wish that who wants to apply for the bank examinations, they have to apply and get through in the examinations. Let them the dreams come true. Okay, all of you come out with the flying colors. All the best. Thank you for watching my video. If you are interested, please you have to subscribe my channel. Thank you.